Let me show you what to do if you have clay left over. Make a clay cracker. Let's get started. All you need to do is take your clay and roll it in a ball. Next, get your favorite nail polish and paint them. This one. Paint the white one first. Okay guys, they're now dry. I did 5 layers of nail polish, and now it's time to crack them. Oh my goodness, so satisfying. Crackle, crackle. Green one. Can you guess what color this one is? In 3, 2, crackle. Pink. If you guessed pink, you're correct. Guess this one. White. Now you guys should all know what this one is. Ain't that fun? Well guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!